What's up? Good morning.
Good morning.
We're here at the pumpkin patch. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You ready to go see some pumpkins?
Yes.
I don't know what else we're gonna see. I guess it's like a fair type setting, but I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
And you're coughing. You're so excited.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I want a camera.
Okay, let's go first. What's up, Icebox?
Hi.
You excited to see the pumpkin patch? Yeah. Have you been here before? No, me neither.
Yes, a long time ago.
Oh, you're a fibber, huh? You're fibbing. Have you been here before?
No.
No, but we've been to Monster Jam, haven't we?
Are you cold, Bobo?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Hey, this is my first time too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I don't know
Now
how
look at you. You get a free ride. You're lucky, man.
Really?
You too? You get a free ride.
7.
Let's go. All right. Lumpy Films.
We're going. We're going. No, we are going to the pumpkin patch. We are going to the pumpkin patch. We're going.
All right, Papa. You want to do that? You want to?
You wanna be
You want to
a
become a
scarecrow?
bull? You want to be a scarecrow or a bull? Where's Benny? Oh, there's Benny. What's up, Scarecrow? Wait, put your hat back on. You just threw your hat. There's Benny. What's up, Lumpy? You're a scarecrow. Who's that? It's Icebox and Lumpy and Chris and Andrew. Ah. Where's Benny? Oh, you're on a tractor. Oh my God. You want to drive it? I don't think it has any gas, Papa. Yeah. You want to roll it? Okay. Oh, there you go. Step on the gas. Step on it. It's not going nowhere, Papa. Oh, you're a tractor driver. What's up?
Hi, Andrew.
Look it. Move the stick. Move the shifter. All right. Oh, all 4 of you are getting up here. We got Icebox. Well, there's 4 of you. Yeah. What's up, Bob? Okay, wait your turn. Hey, you having fun, Crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Easy, Benny, easy. Okay. You want to go on the hay? Okay, go for it. Keep going, Papa. Keep going. Oh, sorry. Papa, king of the hill. All right. Put your hands up. Yeah. Oh, look at it. There's cows right there. Look. All right. You're in the driver's seat, and then look at there's cows, man. Isn't that crazy?
Cows are friendly.
Wait, keep them up there. Cheese and crackers. Look at there's milk over here. That's where leche comes from.
Leche.
Look at Papa. You want some lechita?
Yeah.
That's where lechita comes from. Right there. Look at the babies, Papa. Say hi. Oh, how pretty. Papa, you want to pet them? You want to touch them? No, come here. Where are you going? You don't like them? You don't want to pet them? Okay. Yeah. Watch where you're walking. He doesn't want to touch them. Here. See? You want to touch?
Oh no.
You don't want to touch them? They're just animals, Papa. It's okay. They're not going to bite. Look at, they're friendly. Say hi. Say hi. Go pet them, Papa. They're nice. Look. See? Look at that one. How cute. You want to touch it? Come on. Don't be shy, Papa. It's okay. They're not gonna bite. Come on. Go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. You don't want to. You don't want to touch them. Good. Come on. Okay, you can run, but don't run far. Okay, stop. You're going too far. Get away from me, man. You're too fast. Papa's fat. Look at the pumpkins, Papa. Okay, slow down, Papa. Look at all these pumpkins, man. Get away from me. Okay. Look at all these pumpkins, man. You want to what? Okay, you want to get to the top. Okay, I see what you want. Look at all these pumpkins, man.
I found the biggest.
You want a pumpkin? You want to go to the top, huh? Okay, come on, let's go to the top. Okay, we're going over here.
Yeah.
I'm tired, man.
There.
Yeah. Okay. You're crazy, man. I like you, but you're crazy. Okay, we're almost to the top. Oh.
Where?
Oh, okay. Are you happy now we got to the top?
Okay, we need one more pumpkin, guys.
Okay. We're at the top. No, you can't climb that. You're crazy. Look. Wow. Hold my hand. No, I don't want you to go right now. You gotta hold my hand. Benny. Hey. Relax. Okay, let me enjoy it. We just walked up here. Here. Down. What's up, pumpkin face? I see Benny. I see Benny. Yes, babe. We're over here where you sell the pumpkins, where you buy them. There's bathrooms over here, and I'm just letting them run around. Yeah. You see where you're. Go for it. This is really cool. All right. Don't step on the pumpkins, though. Be careful, Benny. You made it. Careful. Benny. Don't scare me, man. You're gonna fall. Be careful. Okay, come on, get down. Be careful. Oh, stay. Okay, don't move. Come on. We're breaking it. We're not supposed to climb up here, probably. Come on. Oh, look it over there, though. Nice. Okay, come on. Here. Here. Don't step on the pumpkins. You gotta be careful. We don't want to damage anything, okay? Come on. Okay. Okay. What's up, farmer? What's up, watermelon?
Your phone, you go pick something. Go pick a gift. I'm here.
Ah, so close.
Go pick one.
Man, with the way you fish, we're not gonna eat, man.
Let's show you. Look at it. Carefully. Carefully.
Oh, you got
Go
it!
ahead, pull it out. Pull it out.
Nice. Good job, Benny. All right, you want to do it again? Come on, one more time. Be gentle. There you go. There you go. Go for the mouth, Papa. Go for the mouth. There you go. Oh, you got it. Nice. That's 2 of them. We're going to eat good now. All right. One more. Almost. Almost. There it is. All right. Good job, Papa. Okay, go over here now. That's it. Only 3 of them. You got another spider? Yeah? How many spiders do we have? A lot, right? You can get one, Papa. Pick one. Come on, pick one. One. You get one. Okay, let's go. Nope. Come on. Let's go. Let's go see what else we got. From right here. Look it. Let me show you. Look. Over here. Look it. Come over here. Look. Oh! Now you do it. Oh! Back up. There you go. Do it, Papa. Oh, so close. Do it again. Oh! Come on, we gotta get one. Oh! Here we go. Almost, man. All right. Good job. No. You can pick up one of these, Papa. How much is the fidget spinner?
Just $2.
Okay, I'll take it. Okay, pick something. You want a candy? You want a pencil? You want an eyeball? You want some eyeball glasses? Get the eyeball glasses. Those are cool. You want candy? Okay. Okay. Well, make your mind up, man. Okay. One more. Okay. This is a petting farm. I know you don't want to touch the animals, but do you want to ride them? You want to get in the line to ride a pony, Papa?
Go.
Oh, you're all ready, aren't you? You ready to ride a pony? Yeah. Let's ride a pony. Bye, Papa. Have fun. Say hi, Benny. What's up, Papa? Hi, Papa.
Benny.
They wouldn't let me go in there and film them. That kind of sucks, but oh well, it is what it is. They have their safety concerns, and that's understandable. So we don't get to watch Lumpy actually ride the horse, but I'll tell you that he's having a good time. I mean, he doesn't want to touch him, so anyway. What's up, Bob? Wave hi. You having fun? Yeah? Nope, knock. No, no one's home, Papa. They're asleep? They're sleeping, man. We can't bother them, okay? Come on, let's go see what else we can get into.
Just a few things before we go ahead.
Sure.
Just make sure not to sit or stand on top of any of the hay bales.
Oh,
no
that's gonna be
running.
tough. Okay.
And just when you're feeding, just go ahead and have your hand flat out like this.
Flat out, okay.
Yes, and let's say there's a whole bunch of sheep just coming at you, then just go ahead and put both the hands up like this in front of you, and just basically show that you don't have any food and they'll go away.
Ah, okay, nice. That's pretty smart of him. Okay, you ready? Okay, we can't climb on anything, okay? So here's what you do. You put one of them in your hand. Put like that. Like this. Look it. Don't be scared. See?
He's biting.
No, he's not biting you. Oh, shh, Papa. Okay, look it. Let me show you. Look it, like this. I know, stay there. It's okay. He's just hungry, Papa, that's all. Danny, come here, look it. Here. Okay, give me the food. Benny. Okay, come on. Look it. Benny, it's okay. Stay with me, okay? Here, hold this. I don't have anything. Look. It's okay. Don't cry. They're gonna go away. See? No more food. Look, no more food. I don't have nothing. I have nothing. It's okay. Nothing. Oh, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, but if you're scared, show them stop hands.
Put your hands out. Like this. They know I'm stop. Okay. Hey, that was pretty scary, man. They say they don't have teeth, but guess what? They got teeth, man. He bit me. I saw that. Okay, come on. Let's go. Remember, if they come to you, you put your hands out, okay? Look it, put your hands out. Say, no more. Put your hands out like this, Benny. Like this. Put your hands out. There you go. Say, no food. Put your hands out. I don't have nothing. I know. Come on, hold my hand. No, look at no food. Okay, come on. I know you're scared. Come on. You ready to go? Okay, let's go. Oi. Pet him. See, it's okay. Just put your hands out. No food. No food. Put your hands up. Like this, remember? Like that. Put your hands up. No food. We don't have no food, Papa. We just want to pet you, man. No food. I don't have nothing. Go ahead, Papa. Show them how you do it. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Let's go play bowling.
Here.
Bowling.
Hold your bag. Let's go play bowling. Good shot.